Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is actually a little different. I personally have never reviewed something like this on my channel. It is all about Madam Glam gel polish. I can't even believe I just said that. I personally have never thought that I was ever gonna get gifted one of the coolest gifts ever, which is gel polish. I've been getting my nails done since forever. I personally love getting my nails done. I've gotten acrylics, I've gotten powder, and regular manicures, but honestly, the only actual manicure that lasts for me is gel polish. I don't know if it's my nails, my nail type, like the formula. The only thing that ever lasts on my nails is gel polish. So super thankful, super grateful, super like in disbelief that I even got this sent to me. So I just want to say thank you so much to Cora and everyone at Madam Glam for sending me one of the coolest gifts ever. If you guys have been following me for a while, you guys know that I'm super real and super honest with every single one of my review videos, whether it's sponsored or not. And I've been trying out these products in my home and also in a professional nail salon, so I'm very, very, very excited to share you guys what I think about this, what my thoughts are, all the tea, if it's worth it, if it's not. So let's get on into it. So first things first, I'm gonna pull up here their website so you guys can follow along to what I'm looking at as well, just so we both can get a feel of what the brand is, what they have to offer, and all of that stuff. So the first thing that you see when you get onto the site is basically new arrivals, offer of the week, some collections, some sales, some accessories, which is really nice. I see like they have a lot of sales most of the time. One thing that I do want to add in right away is that they have a lot of colors, and that to me is super exciting, just because I get tired of going into the nail salon and just seeing the same old colors, and I feel like I've literally worn every single one. Like, I love when brands have a bunch of colors. So all the way at the bottom, you see that they are certified vegan, so they don't use any animal derived ingredients, which is nice to know. They're also cruelty free, so they don't test their products on animals, and they never will. They're palm oil free, which is produced with respect for the environment, which I think is super cool. I didn't even know that was a thing, like a type of, I guess, tag that you would put on a product. But the one that really stood out to me the most was the 21 free formula. So this means that they are free from 21 most toxic chemicals found in nail polish. Mind blowing. I didn't even know that there was 21 toxic chemicals that are found in regular nail polish. I had no idea. I knew that it was never that great for you, especially gel polish, because there's more that goes into it, but wow. That's pretty freaking cool. Then on the bottom here, you have new arrivals, and then you have stuff from their blog, which is really, really cute. The one thing that I noticed from their blog that I really like is the color of the month, which is light blue. So for the month of May, the color of the month is light blue, so that's really, really cute. And then they have their collections. Oh, this one, the Flavor Por Favor collection. Let me see. Yeah, look at these colors. These colors, like, this is, oh my god, this is, I love. I would wear every single one. Oh my god. Just wait till we get into it. So this is what the box looks like. It says Madam Glam, New York on the front. It says everything you love at your fingertips, which I thought was a really cute quote. Right here on the seal, it says, hello glamorous, you are on board for amazing VIP manicures. And then on the side of the box, it just has like their logos for, they are on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. And then it says their website here. And then on the back, it says handle with care. This is not how they ship the product. The product was actually in like one of the mailing bags. And then when I opened it, you got to like the good stuff. But I love their packaging. It's super simple, but the black and gold is always super cute. And then when you open it, what I really, really appreciate the most is this little cushion. The fact that it's extra protected with the little foam on the bottom and the top, I really, really love. There's nothing more upsetting or worse than receiving a product and then it being broken. So they asked me what colors I usually go for, and honestly, my colorway is usually like nudes, neutrals, pastels, and then sometimes I like neons. It depends on the season, it really does. They put together a little package for me, so it was actually really exciting to open the package and not know what colors were gonna be in there, because I didn't pick anything specifically. So I got 4 different colors. I personally have tried them all. And they also sent me, which I thought was really cute. I don't know why I didn't expect them to send me this, but I just really appreciated that they did, which was their base coat and their top coat. But also, they actually sent me a mini UV LED lamp. Again, I don't know why I didn't expect them to send me a light. I don't know, I thought I was gonna have to go to the nail salon and try it out myself, but the fact that they did and the fact that they have one is so freaking cute. We're gonna get on into how I feel about this. I don't know. So I have tried out every single one of their colors. The first one that we're gonna start off with right off the bat is the shade Soft Pink. As far as the packaging, it's very simple. It says Madam Glam on the front, and then it says Soak Off Gel Polish. On the bottom of the bottle, it says the name of the actual polish, which is Soft Pink. But at the top, which I actually really love, and would prefer all gel polishes and nail polishes in general to have, is at the top of the handle, they have a little area where it shows you the true color of the polish. I honestly have no idea if you can even purchase this in store, but if I was in the store and every time I did look at nail polishes in the store, it was kind of hard to tell what the true color of the polish is, so you would automatically have to open it, look at it, and see. Now, in the actual bottle and wand, it looks a little bit darker, but at the top you can tell it's very sheer. I brought this to the nail salon, she put it on my finger, and I was so disappointed. This isn't a true shade, it's very sheer. This is the pink that goes with a French manicure. When you get a French manicure and you ask for pink and white, this is the pink. The color that I have on my nails right now is what I was expecting when I saw this. I honestly would never ever reach towards this unless I'm doing French. But overall, really cute if you want to do a French manicure. The next color is a color that I would definitely go for and have worn a couple times now. I'm going to post a picture here of it on my fingernails. This is in the shade Love Me Nude. Again, at the top of the handle, it shows you the true shade of the color. I honestly love that so much. The one thing that I will say wearing this on my fingernails is that it didn't chip, but it did have the cracking effect. I'm gonna post it here so you guys know what I'm talking about. That personally has never happened to me ever. This is the first time I've ever even seen it in person. I didn't know what was happening. Automatically, I was like, well, it definitely has something to do with the polish. And then I got my nails done again at the nail salon with one of their gel polishes, and then it happened again. So, cracking actually happens to people that are very hands-on, which I am, working in a restaurant and also washing my hands very frequently, and also being in the gym, but it also can happen with the application process. So if the nail technician is making a very heavy layer of polish, the cracking is definitely going to happen, and I'm assuming that happens with, you know, 3 layers rather than 2 layer coats. So that day, I believe she did do 3 layers, but on top of that, I'm also very hands-on. So the cracking initially happened, it happens, but it has nothing to do with the actual formula of the polish. Now, I did not use their light that they sent me. I actually used the light at the nail salon because I wanted to see if the polishes were even gonna work. So I brought them in with the base coat, with the top coat, and the color. And the nail technician immediately was like, wow, the quality of the polish is very nice, but she also loved the brush. I can't tell you enough, like, yes, I may like the actual polish, but to hear it from a professional that does this every single day and has worked with so many different polishes say that the quality of the polish is amazing, that right there just told me so much. The next color is the OMG Pink Neon. Again, the true color is at the top of the handle. Very, very true to color when you open it up. This is my go-to summer color. I wear a lot of neons in the summer. This is actually on my toes right now. So once I saw how well it lasted on my fingernails, I do get gel pedicures as well. I decided to try it on my toes. So far so good. No chipping, no cracking, and this one does have 3 coats. I love the color. I love the way it's performing. I love the quality, and it's lasting a very long time. It is now 2 weeks since I got my gel pedicure, so the fact that it looks like I just got it done, I'm obsessed. And the last color is the Vitamin C Blue. Again, the true color is at the top of the handle. This personally for me is not the type of blue that I would really go for. I have worn it on my toes. Yes, same quality, same performance. It did not crack at all. It was like it was brand new, and it lasted over a month, which I loved, without chipping. But this is just not the blue that I would go for. But that has nothing to do with it. Like, the formula is incredible, the application was amazing, and the duration of the polish was overall amazing. So now moving on to the simple stuff, which is the top coat and the base coat. At first I was only going to mention the top coat. This is probably the best top coat I have ever used on my nails ever, just simply for the shine. The shine never lost its brilliance throughout the time that it was on my nails. It has been shiny since the day they applied it to the day I was taking it off, and that goes from 2 weeks to a month. Even if I don't continue to use the Madam Glam gel polishes, I will still continue to use their top coat. This is probably the best top coat in the game that I have tried from so many different nail salons, but also the ones that I personally have purchased at CVS or Walgreens. That's usually where I got my gel polishes. But this is the best one. And like I said, I was only going to touch on their top coat from the performance of the shine, but then I started realizing that their base coat is just as great. Why? Because this is the base of the actual polish. This is probably why the polishes last so long without chipping. It's their base coat. The top coat and the base coat are like, I don't even know. Like I said, if I don't continue to use their color polishes, I will still continue to use their base coat and their top coat, because these two are gold. The way my nails have lasted for, like I said, 2 weeks to a month is incredible. So now, touching on the mini LED lamp that they sent me, it came in its own little box, which I thought was really nice, and it also came wrapped. So once you take it out of the wrapping, this is how big it is. It has the power button at the top. It says Madam Glam Mini New York, because they do have different sizes when it comes to the lamps. And then underneath it has the 2 legs, and then it has 6 different light bulbs. This is actually a 6-watt UV LED lamp. Also came with its own little wire. This has the USB port on one side, and then on the other side it has, I don't even know what this is called, but this is what goes into the actual light. It does not come with a plug box thingy-majiggy. It does not come with one of these. I've touched on that with my LED face mask video. If you guys didn't watch that and you want to check it out, I'll link it down below for you so you can check it out afterwards. But if that is going to annoy you and that is going to bother you, I'm letting you know now, it does not come with one. You have to go get one. I've had so many iPhones throughout my lifetime that I have so many of these little boxes. So for me, it didn't bother me or frustrate me. I had one lying around that I used, but it doesn't come with one. So this is where it gets a little tricky, because every time I decided to use their gel polishes, you know, to get my nails done, I would bring it to the nail salon. And first of all, I don't have the patience to do it at home. This would have been really nice to have before the pandemic, because I was doing my nails at home. I would rather just go get it done, in and out, you know? So I used their lights. But I did want to try out their light and see if it even works, because I remember one time buying one from CVS and it didn't work. So I'm going to insert a clip here of me using the light. Now, I was going to buy one of those... This is so ratchet, don't come for me. I used a plastic knife because this is the same plastic that they use on the, like, you know, like the acrylic fingernail tip thing. I'm gonna put a picture here so you guys know what I'm talking about, but it's the same material. So I was like, I'm not gonna go buy one of those, I'm gonna just use what I have lying around, which is a plastic knife. So I ended up using the vitamin C color, so that way you guys can see what it looks like, you know, applied instead of just in the bottle. So I did one coat and then I decided to put it underneath the light. So the light goes on for the first time at 45 seconds. If you click the light again, it goes for 60 seconds, and then if you click the light again, it turns off. So the first time I did 45 seconds, I took it out and I tapped it and it's sticky, and like my fingerprint was on the actual color. So I was like, okay, I mean, it's not rubbing off on my finger, but it's sticky and my fingerprint is on the polish, and that usually doesn't happen. It usually like doesn't leave an imprint, it's not sticky, like it's kind of just dry. So it's somewhat dry. So I decided to put it underneath the light again for 60 seconds, and it's the same feeling. Again, it's not coming off on my finger, so it is definitely dry. If you know gel polishes, if it's not underneath the light, there's no other way it's gonna dry. So the light is working. I decided, okay, maybe I need to put the top coat on. So I did. I put the top coat on and I put it for 60 seconds and then 45 seconds. And again, it's the same feeling and it leaves the same indent of my fingerprint on the polish. But it is dry because it's not coming off on my finger. So I don't know. I'm rubbing it right now, but it's not coming off. Like, it's not smudging, it's not budging, it's not transferring onto my finger. Like, it's definitely dry. The light definitely works. I don't know if because it's mini, you need to put it on for 3 minutes so that feeling goes away. But when I use their nail polishes in the nail salon, it did not feel like that. And again, it's a bigger light that they're using, so maybe that's why. Like, you know, take into consideration there's only 6 light beads in here, but it definitely does work because it's dry. It's definitely dry. That brings us to the end of the video. Overall, I do recommend Madam Glam gel polish. I think the quality is amazing, not only for like the application process, but the fact that it actually is compatible with different lights. Yes, we have a light at home, but I can also bring it to the nail salon and use their lights as well, and it's not going to be an issue. You know, it still works. I definitely think it's just nice to have like your own little collection at home if you want to do it at home, or also if you enter the nail salon and you're just like me and you're like bored with all their color selections, like you can have your own and, you know, have fun with it. I do think it's also another way to save money, especially if you do your hands and your feet. So if you want to save some extra money and have your own little nail salon at home, and like I said, like it's so convenient to have. Like, this is so small and it's literally doesn't take up any space. The first thing I think of when I see something mini like this is vacation. You guys already know. For whatever reason, my nails break or chip, or, you know, the seawater is messing up with my nails. It's easy to fix. Like, it literally fits in your suitcase or even your carry-on. So if you want to save some extra money and start doing your nails at home, I feel like this is a really nice beginner kit as well. I personally will be repurchasing from Madam Glam. I was checking on their website and I saw a lot of colors that I would love to try. They even have chrome on there, and it's, well, first of all, chrome is very expensive to get done at the nail salon, but that's also kind of hard to find. Not all nail salons actually carry chrome or glitter. Like, it's I'm getting tired of the nail salon. I really am. I really love that I have the option to bring my own colors, and I could use it very frequently, you know? I really hope this review was helpful. Let me know if you guys have any gel polishes from Madam Glam. Let me know what your favorite colors are, what your favorite collection is. I know they had the Flavors Por Favor collection. That was like the new one that just dropped, and I honestly think I'm gonna cop it because those colors are right up my alley. So let me know down in the comments below, but I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.